Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester. Today we're talking about Cheems.pet. Now this asset has got a lot of stuff going for it right now, but we are going to be looking at some price action and also some price predictions because it's a super important chart to be looking out for right now because this thing is actually doing quite well here. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this chart update today. So Cheems.pet is a very memeable project here, basically recreating the Shiba Inu movement, and we're seeing this thing do very, very well overall. You can see it's actually currently hovering around a $300 million market cap, so doing pretty well here, with the all-time high currently sat at roughly 398 million, and considering market conditions, considering what is happening around the world right now, that happened on the 25th of March, and right now it actually hasn't dropped that much here for a meme coin of this price, so it is quite likely that we do see this thing carry on. In the daily, it's down 0.12%, the 7-day down 5%, the 1 month is actually up 71% here. Okay, so I do think all-time high is on the card for this asset. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And while you guys are doing that, I'm going to be going over to the chart here, and we're going to be looking at potential buying areas for this asset because there's definite money to be made here. Okay, just quickly before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Best Wallet. Now, Best Wallet is a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, like Phantom, but they've raised $11 million in their pre-sale. Okay, crazy stuff. This thing is looking super bullish here for a big launch. They've got their own DEX. They support 60 different chains. They're featured in some very reputable sources. I saw Cointelegraph on there somewhere, actually. Yeah, Cointelegraph they're featured in as well. And they're actually bringing out their own crypto debit card, which basically means that you can pay for your goods and services through contactless payments using your crypto on your phone. No one else has ever done that, and these guys are building that right now, and that's why they've raised $11.6 million. Crazy stuff. Definitely not one to miss out on. Go check it out. All the links are in the description for that. Now, back to Cheems. Let's look at the chart right now. We're going to be looking at the 4-hour because this is super interesting here to see a high coming in, as I said, 25th of March. And we haven't seen, there's been downside, but it's not been super aggressive in comparison to the rest of the market here. So what I would really be looking out for here is probably something potentially along the lines of this. Okay, you can see we're getting a lot of touches here for support. You can see we obviously got a lot of touches for resistance down there, and right now we have consolidated along this line and coming back down to test this daily volume weighted ATR band. If we can hold the daily volume weighted ATR band here, guys, it's very likely that we take another leg up. Okay, it's very likely for that to happen. If that leg up is going to happen, what we can really be looking out for here is potentially something along the lines of this. Okay, this will bring us up to around 24284, which would be pretty high. Okay, it would be pretty high. I'm not exactly sure the exact price because of the stupid supply amount and the price of the asset, but in terms of percentages, we can look at from that zone all the way up. It's going to be another 50, going to be 59% to the upside here for this asset. Okay, so definitely something to be looking out for there. But again, we got to talk downside as well. If we lose the daily volume weighted ATR band, guys, and we lose this this lovely trend line that we've got here, then it's very likely, as you can see here, this lovely support level as well. If we lose this area, let me draw a box around it here. You can see this area here. If we lose this area, it's very likely that we do actually see a bigger correction for this asset down to the 4-hour volume weighted ATR band. That will be roughly a 12% short position to the downside, and you can actually short this over on Mexi if that's something that you're interested in. But overall, guys, if we just look at this from a more of a broad picture here, you can see the chart is actually quite nice. Okay, it's actually quite a nice chart to the upside. Comes up, it all-time highs, it consolidates, it comes up, it tests it again, consolidates, bangs another all-time high, comes back down, consolidates, likely going for another leg up here. So overall, this asset is looking pretty good. A lot of utility and stuff behind it, even though it is basically just a meme coin. But they've got a lot of partnerships with sex partners as well. And again, they are doing a lot of stuff here. So go check it out. A lot of Cheems Lab stuff and NFTs and all this great stuff here. So yeah, definitely go check that out, guys. And also just don't forget that there is definitely trading positions either side for this asset to really be taken advantage of. That is going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.